Hi, I'm Liz, and this is the reinforced 120-inch, so extra long retractable gate. And thank you to the brand for sending this to me for the purposes of this video. We have been redoing this front room, and we have a dog who sheds like crazy and likes to make every piece of furniture her own. So I was really excited to get this. We had been blocking it off with just a regular plastic foldable gate, and I knew that I wanted something that looked nicer in the space, especially with the direction we're going and obviously with brand new furniture. So I took some time the other day, pulled it all out of the box, and this was very easy to install. So I knew right away, like by touching it, the actual material of the gate is really good. It has kind of like almost like a rubbery matte feel to it, but of course you wouldn't use it as a mat. And I knew that the look was what I wanted it to be. And this particular space, because it's the entrance to a full room, it's an old formal dining room in the house. I knew that it needed to be extra long like this. So I took the time, definitely recommend making sure that you're using the anchors that they provide. Everything comes in the box that they send you. You will need a couple tools, but nothing crazy. Stuff that you most likely have around the house. I used a drill and a screwdriver in addition to what they included in the box, and everything else just went really smoothly. So you'll see I set it up, used all of the anchors, set up the actual mount, and then to pull it across the next side, um, would probably be easier with 2 people just to be able to kind of, like, pull that taut and then mark where the anchors for those pieces are going to do. I was able to do it by myself. Like most things, you can do it alone, but it would probably be easier with a second set of hands to hold that in place. So once I did that, and you'll see I didn't do it so that they were both on the interior of the door. Like I did it so that the part where it latches is kind of like hidden behind the archway on the other side of that entryway. And that for me gave it the very flush look that I wanted in the front when people walk in, because this is really like right at the beginning of our entryway. Um, so once you pull it across, one of the things I was concerned about, because as you'll see, Coco is obviously a large dog. We sometimes refer to her as the small pony. I wanted to make sure that it would be tall enough to keep her in or out, depending on which direction we need her to be. And you'll see that this is so it is long enough, it is tall enough, it is sturdy enough to keep her from pushing through one way or the other. So if you're looking for a gate for your space, I highly recommend this one. It has the look and the strength for what you need. I hope that helps.